Hello learners, welcome to our YouTube channel Study Kernel. In this video, we are going to write a code in C language to check whether entered number is even or odd. So let's start. Even number is a number which is completely divisible by 2. And odd number is a number which is not divisible by 2. In other words, if we divide a number by 2 and remainder is 0, then it becomes an even number. If in case remainder is not 0, then it becomes odd number. Modulus operator, that is percent, is used to check whether entered number is even or odd. Modulus operator actually finds remainder after division operation. We can see here with an example 10 mod 2. After dividing 10 by 2, remainder becomes 0. Hence, answer for 10 mod 2 is 0. In the very next example, which is 5 mod 2, 5 if it is divided by 2, remainder becomes 1. Hence, answer for 5 mod 2 is 1. We know that algorithm is a stepwise set of instructions to perform a task. Before writing actual program, we shall write an algorithm for our task, which is to check whether number is even or odd. So step 1 is start. In step 2, we read an integer number and store it in a variable a. In step 3, we will calculate a mod 2 and compare it with 0. In step 4, if the result is equals to 0, then we have to print that it is even number as discussed earlier. Else, if it is not equal to 0, then condition will not be satisfied and we will print it is an odd number. Step 5 is the last step, which is stop. Next, we will discuss flowchart. Flowchart is a graphical representation of an algorithm. Number is read and stored in variable a as shown in input-output block. Next, condition is checked in condition block, which is a mod 2 double equal to 0. If condition is true, that is yes, then we will print even number. Else, if condition is false, that is no, then we will print number is odd. Flowchart always begins with start and ends with stop. Now, here we are going to see actual code in C language to print whether entered number is even or odd. First of all, initialization of standard library files such as stdio.h and cuneo.h is done. In main function, we read an integer number and store it in a variable a with the help of scan function. With if condition, we will check whether a mod 2 is equal to 0 or not. If it is equal to 0, then we print a message number is even, else we will print number is odd. Now we are going to see how actual program is executed using Turbo C. Same code that we have discussed earlier is shown here. We will execute the code by clicking on Run button. In output window, there is a message to enter a number to be checked whether even or odd. Let's say we enter value 10. We have got output number is even. We run it one more time. Now enter value as 5. Now we have got output number is odd. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning and keep growing. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.